Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing another important security concepts including access control limits, who or what can access a system, network, or data. Encryption is the process of protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access by converting plaintext into ciphertext. Vulnerability management involves identifying, assessing, and prioritizing vulnerabilities in a system or network, and implementing measures to mitigate or eliminate these vulnerabilities. Incident response is the process of preparing for, responding to, and recovering from security incidents. Least privilege. The principle of least privilege states that entities should only have the minimum level of rights, permissions, privileges, and authority needed over systems and information to do their job, and no more. Need to know is a security concept that is related to the principle of least privilege. Separation of duties, SOD, is a security concept that involves dividing tasks and responsibilities among multiple individuals in order to minimize the risk of fraud, error, or unauthorized actions. Layered security or defense in depth. Defense in depth is a security concept that refers to implementing multiple layers of defense to protect a system or network. The idea behind defense in depth is to create a series of barriers or defense mechanisms that must be penetrated or bypassed in order for an attacker to successfully compromise a system. Network security. This involves protecting a network and its connected devices from unauthorized access and malicious activity. Vulnerability. A vulnerability is a weakness in a system that allows a threat source to compromise its security. Threat. A threat is any potential danger that is associated with the exploitation of a vulnerability. The entity was called threat agent or threat actor. Risk. A risk is the likelihood of a threat source exploiting a vulnerability and the corresponding business impact. Exposure. An exposure is an instance of being exposed to losses. A vulnerability exposes an organization to possible damages. Controls or countermeasures refer to the measures put in place to prevent, detect, and respond to security incidents and threats. These are just a few of the many security concepts that organizations can implement to improve the security of their systems and protect their critical assets. Along the way, we will be introduced with a lot more security concepts. By implementing a comprehensive security program that incorporates a variety of these concepts and best practices, organizations can reduce their risk of security incidents and maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their data. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.